To enhance the drainage that we're building here, we're going to lay a layer of porous material, and that can be anything. It could be bark mulch like you'd buy at the nursery, or it could be chipper material that you got, say if you trim some trees or something like that, and had the chipping, the trunks and things that were chipped up. We're wanting something that's porous, that'll allow drainage down through the material. We're just going to put a couple of inches, probably down to along right in here, just an inch or so above the drainage that we've already established. And this will take up the spaces between the sticks and stuff like that, but still allow a very porous and very aerated area. What I'm going to be able to use, since I don't have any chipper material or bark mulch that I'm going to use, I do have some, but I'm not going to use it. I have some shavings that are used as animal bedding that, for one reason or another, had a little too much moisture in them when they were originally packaged. And so they're not suitable because of the spores and that are in them to use as animal bedding. And what I'm going to do is cut open this bag and just dump them in there. And you can see that they're kind of clumped together, which is the problem. Once we get these in, we'll have the layer that we're looking for to supply extra drainage without becoming compacted easily on top of the materials that we have for drainage. I can feel that there's quite a bit of moisture in this particular material. It was put up probably for one reason or another with a little too much moisture. Okay, that's probably what we're looking at. I'm going to spread it out and hope that it kind of sifts down into the, it's pretty fluffy, but this is going to settle quite a bit. When we get our topsoil and all that on there, we're going to probably mound it up a little bit, so because when we water it, it's going to settle down. It's going to compress a little bit. But still, this is pretty fluffy stuff, and it will allow for water to penetrate without becoming compacted enough to stop water penetration into our drainage system that we've already established.